Ferrari F12berlinetta is best experienced like this. All day about styling, tradition, and power. This is a car that's made to satisfy the senses. From the handmade seats to the hand-assembled 730 horsepower V12 engine. Ferrari sculpted tunnels through the fenders of the F12 to increase aerodynamic performance, and the active brake cooling ducts improve braking on the track. There are a million details and they're all wonderful, but at the end of the day with the F12, all we want is to hear more of this.